Can you install a boiler in a bathroom? It is a common question for UK homeowners looking to maximise their available living space. The answer is yes. However, there are strict building and electrical regulations that must be followed to ensure safety. Understanding bathroom zones is key. Generally, a boiler must be installed outside of zones 0 and 1 to prevent water contact. Humidity is a big factor. Electrical parts must be protected, often by housing the boiler within a cupboard. Accessibility is vital. Your gas-safe registered engineer must be able to reach the boiler easily for servicing. While you save kitchen space, you must ensure proper ventilation. The flue must be safely routed through the bathroom wall. Preparation is essential. You will need to decide on the best location and ensure your water and gas supplies are ready for the new unit. Most modern combi boilers are suitable, provided they meet the specific IP ratings required for bathroom environments. Safety is the priority. Always hire a qualified professional to ensure your installation is fully compliant with all UK standards. Ready for a new boiler? Get a quote from Boilers2Go today. Subscribe and follow us for more expert heating advice.